Okay, so I just got this yesterday and I'm really excited to open it. It's the Yumbox Mini Snack lunchbox. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, take away this bubble wrapping. That's so cute. I love the color. This is the Coco Pink. It's cute. So snack size portion, kid friendly, leak-proof snack box. I really like that. That's really cute. So let's see. Dishwasher safe. Use top rack only. Hand washing is recommended to preserve the seal. Okay, good to know. Now this is for my 3-year-old. So one thing I was a little bit concerned with is will open easily, and it looks like it does, and I really like that. And then you can hear my little guy in the background. But here it is, and I really like it so far. And this thing should be able to take out. It's actually not that hard. And it has like really cute pictures inside. I really like it. It's definitely not big enough to put a sandwich in, but it's a snack box. So it's gonna be perfect for just that, the snacks. I really like it.